first day we're leaving the dock. Motor started warming up. It's not quite high tide, but close to it. Keep that in mind getting out of here. All right, let's do it. I'm so sorry. That's everything. But you did it.
It was way less terrible when I was using the engine. Once I started using the engine, I got way less nice.
So you had control?
Yeah.
We also only have the main up. We're not racing.
I know, but I want to know. All I need to do is turn my face and figure out which direction the wind's coming from.
Yeah,
It's
what?
over there.
Yeah, why is our Windex so messed up? He's just spinning.
He's just like, wee!
As soon as you said that, it literally did a 360. What? The main's up. Boat hasn't sunk yet.
Yeah.
We're cruising along at about 1 knot. Feels awesome. Look at the camera, baby. Awesome. So we had a lot of fun sailing around, and after a while we decided to motor home and have a bit of lunch, where I found it was really hard to make a sandwich in a moving boat with no plate. But on our way motoring home, Emily sighted. You seen them?
Yeah.
Where?
Over the right.
Oh yeah, there they are! There's a ton. Dolphins are fun. Do you want me to drive for a minute? Oh, he's close. He was like half a boat length away. Oh, wow. Hi, buddy.
Oh. Buddy? Hey, buddy. I'm going under the engine.
Right?
He's gonna come out the other side, I think.
They're so nimble, though. They could be going anywhere.
First they're like, all the humans are out now for the first time this season.
Yeah. Yeah, there they are. There's more. There's a bunch. This is awesome. Yeah, this side to side's not awesome.